If you are seeing this video, it's not by accident. Allah didn't let you scroll mindlessly. There is a fire in your chest, a longing bigger than comfort, bigger than excuses. You have felt it, even if you have ignored it. That fire is not just ambition, it's an amana, a trust from Allah. Will you carry it or let it fade? Many think ambition is born, a trait in your DNA, but no, it's a deposit from Allah. He places a vision, a burden, a responsibility inside your heart and watches what you will do with it. The real test is not what you achieve, but who you become while chasing it. The son who provides without arrogance, the student who works honestly, the believer who strives but kneels in prayer, knowing the outcome belongs to Allah. Every desire placed in your heart carries weight. It's heavy, pressing, relentless, and it should be. Allah never burdens beyond your capacity, but He tests your strength. The heaviness shapes you. The fire proves you were chosen. Challenges are not punishments, they are proof that you can carry what He entrusted to you. Three forces can steal the fire before it grows. Shaitan's whispers, later, tomorrow, it's too hard. Your environment, friends who mock discipline, call goals cringe, and water down your ambition. Your own self talk, I am not ready, I'll probably fail. The heart mirrors your habits. Feed it delay, it becomes delay. Feed it discipline, it becomes strength. Start simple. Each day, name your amana before distraction. Tell Allah, I intend to carry the trust you gave me. Accept it from me. Then conquer one hard thing today, not 10. Give your best hours in two focused work blocks. Phone away, no noise. Work until it tests you. Reset with Salah. Accountability transforms effort into discipline. At night, ask yourself three questions. Did I protect my salah? Did I guard my eyes and ears? Did I move my amana forward? If the answer is no, don't drown in guilt. Repent, reset, sleep early, rise, ready to carry it better tomorrow. Consistency is everything. You either carry it daily or you abandon it. When you make dua, speak as if your life depends on it. Name your desire, tie it to effort, open halal doors, close haram doors. Walk like a person who meant it. Dua alone is empty dua. Effort is the force that moves heavens and earth. Every time you say later, the fire dims. Every time you choose ease over efforts, it weakens. Ignore it enough, and one day it will vanish. That is worse than failure. Losing the amana means Allah saw you weren't ready to carry what He entrusted. Don't let your dreams fade into scrolling and excuses. Protect your gift. The world's discipline begins with pride, image, or applause. It cracks when no one watches. Discipline with Allah in mind never breaks because it is eternal, not for people, but for the one who sees in the dark. Every act of obedience rewires your heart, reshapes your character, and strengthens the amana. Allah trusted you with a burden. Carry it. Pray, act, strive. Begin today, begin now, and rise to the fire inside you. Let your heart, your hands, and your deeds honor the amana. One week of obedience transform more than months of distraction. Stand, ask, and walk into your purpose. The time is now.